Replace the fuse if damaged or blown. Install the filter. Replace the rubber ring with the spare one if it is damaged or missing. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the holder. Install the laser pad holder. Install the body vacuum and RF handle. Install the Cavi handle. Install the IRF handle. Install the face RF handle. Connect body RF handle. Connect the laser pads. Install the cold and hot handle. Install the BIO handle. Install the EMS and hot handle. Position all the installed handles onto the holder. Replace the cotton filter in the vacuum and RF handle. Remove the plug from the suction port. Insert a new cotton filter. Then securely reinsert the plug. The filter needs to be replaced regularly. Connect the power cord and turn on the device. Select the required language. Choose Cavi on screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose body vacuum and RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Vacuum setting. Suction duration, 5. Release duration, 2. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Find the rotary knob on the side of the instrument to adjust suction intensity, which can be modified anytime during operation to match individual tolerance. Choose body RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose face RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose IRF on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose cold and hot. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Select the appropriate mode based on individual needs. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose BIO on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. BIO energy level, 3. Mode, M1. LED energy level, 3. LED color. Select based on the recipient's skin condition. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose EMS and hot on the screen. Settings. Duration, 20 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. Hot energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose lipo laser on the screen. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.